Good afternoon, student of class 8. After many days, again I am taking your physics class. Whatever class was taken by me in the previous, I think I have completed the first chapter. Today I am going to start the third chapter. The chapter name is Force and Pressure. Before we going through the details of this chapter, we have to get some basic idea about matter, elements, molecule. We have to get some idea about that. Before we going through the details, first things we have to know what is matter. Matter, I think you know that, you have read that before. Matter means anything that occupies space and has mass. Anything that occupies space and has mass, like this pen. This is having some mass and that is occupying some space. If you put that in the book, that is occupying some space in the book, that means that is a matter. Air is also a matter. Air may be not visible, but that is also a matter because that has also some mass and that also occupies some space. So the question is arising in your mind, what things is not a matter? Example is like sound. Example is like electric. You can have the sense that that is present in this world, but that does not have mass and that does not occupy space. Like sound, you can feel that there is a sound, but that does not occupy any space and that does not have mass. So sound is not a matter. Okay, what is matter made up of? Every matter is made up of small particle that is known as atom. Atom can't be broken further. Some atoms combine together to make a molecule. Actually, a matter is made up of two types of particle. Some are atoms, some are molecules. But molecules are made up of atoms and both are the smallest particle of a matter. Everything in this world, air, water, trees, books, mountain, they are made up of different types of atoms and molecules. Next term is element. What is element? We are starting with some example. Like we know that water is made up of two types of things. One is hydrogen, one is oxygen. And hydrogen and oxygen can't be broken further. But the water is broken into two elements, two things, that is one is hydrogen and one is oxygen. This hydrogen and oxygen is known as elements. Elements actually a building block that is making the others matter. Like example I have given water. Example is methane, which is made of carbon and hydrogen. So these are building blocks. These are basic things which are help to making the other things, other material, other substance. That's why these are known as elements. There are 118 elements is in there in the world. And elements cannot be divided further. An atom is the smallest unit of element. There is no molecules in the element. You have to remember it. Like in water, there is a molecules is H2O. But in hydrogen, there is no molecules. That is only H atoms is there. Certain substance have the same types of atoms. Like hydrogen gas, all atoms are gas are only hydrogen atom. Certain other substance are combination of dissimilar atoms in different proportion. Like here is the given example. Water is made up of various molecules, which is made up two hydrogen and one oxygen. A molecule is the smallest unit of a substance which has independent existence and has the same properties as that of matter. But a molecule has two or more atoms and that may be different or same types. Like in case of ozone, O3, there are three oxygen are combining together to make one molecule of ozone. In that case, all are same types of atoms joining together to make molecules. But here in case of water, that various types of atoms is there which are combining together to make an molecules of H2O. Kinetic theory of matter is made up of some assumption. What assumption is there? You have to read that assumption carefully. That all matter is made up of atoms or molecules. These atoms or molecules are in constant or random motion. That means always there is in some motion in the atoms and molecules. That is known as kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of molecules is directly proportional to the temperature. That means if you increase the temperature, that kinetic energy will increase. That means the movement of the atoms or molecules will increase. If you decrease the temperature, the kinetic energy or motion of the atom or molecules will decrease. In case of, like, if you are changing the state of the body, in that case kinetic energy reaches in that level that break down the attraction and that converted to other state. Sometimes if you extract the heat continuously, in some point their atoms join together or come more close together and converted to other state. There is a force of attraction between the molecules of matter. If the force is in the between the similar molecules, it is called force of cohesion. If the force is between the different molecules, that is known as force of adhesion. Like if you put some water in the glass, here is some force is also acting between the glass molecules or glass atoms and glass molecules and water molecules. This force is known as force of adhesion. But there is also force acting between the water molecules himself, that is known as force of cohesion. The space between the molecules is known as intermolecular space, and the space between the molecules is known as intermolecular space, and the force between the molecules is known as intermolecular force of attraction. And that they are very much depend on others. Like if their force of attraction is greater, the space will decrease. If the force of attraction is lesser, the space will increase. So they are very much related to each other. If space decrease, the force of attraction increase. Space increase, the force of attraction decrease. On the basis of intermolecular space and intermolecular force, there are three states are divided: solid, liquid and gas. Arrangement of molecules in a solid. In case of solid, molecules are very close to each other. That's why their intermolecular force of attraction is high and they are tightly packed. That's why they are solid. In case of liquid, the space increases compared to that of solid, and the intermolecular force of attraction also lesser than the solid. That's why there is some gap between the molecules and they can slide over each other. That's why liquid can flow, and that is forming a liquid because of that shape, that arrangement of molecules in the gas. Intermolecular distance between gas molecules is very large, and they actually don't have attraction between. There is no attraction or very less attraction is between the molecules. That's why they are always move from here to there. If you burn something in the corner of the room, you can get the smell from the other corner, because in case of gas, molecules are randomly running from here to there because there is no attraction between the molecules. And here is some differentiation is given on the properties. Intermolecular force in case of solid, very strong. Lesser than solid, very less. You have to read that. you have the book, you have to read this part. Okay, there is an picture is also given, or image is given. In case of solid you can see the arrangement, in case of liquid you can see the arrangement, and in case of gas the arrangement. Adhesive and cohesive force, I already said that adhesive force means the different types of molecules. Force exists between different types of molecules. Here is an example. There is a glass and liquid is there. Whatever force is acting between the molecules of liquid and the glass, that is adhesive. Cohesive means the force between the same molecules. Like force here, whatever molecules is in their liquid, the attraction between the molecules of the liquid is known as cohesive force. And because of the adhesive force and cohesive force,